Presently, we are at the Ajit Singh Nagar, and this is one of the worst hit areas, perhaps the most crippled areas because of the floods here. And what you're seeing right now is slight improvement in the sense that a lot of people have been finally able to step out of their house. Majority of them are either going to their relatives' house, friends' house, or and the other half is perhaps going over to the other side, AV Nagar here and other parts of the city to collect some provisions. In fact, I am being joined by one such family, friends who are also making their way to the other side, but they have to almost walk a stretch up to 2 kilometers to cross this bridge and get their provisions. I want to start with you. What is the situation? Little bit about yourself as well.
Yes, this started in Sunday, approximately in the morning. There were no intimation given for us that floods are going to take place and water is being filled and all that. We were not being told and we were not being intimated. For past 2 days, we did not have proper surprise. I thank the street members. They were like going out, getting provisions for us, getting water, at least water we needed. Drinking water we needed. They used to go and come. Only the people who are living beside of us, they are the ones who got us supplies. Others others like who are supposed to help us, no one came near us to help us also. And yesterday, as for the flow started decreasing, as she's saying, we did not get any food and water also. We got supply yesterday itself. We got medicines provided, and they were only giving 2-3 water bottles providing. That's it.
Is your house completely submerged?
Yes,
Okay.
my water came up to my to the level of reaching the cots.
What about your parents?
My dad is living there because my house owners provided us shelter. So he is staying with us because there is a disabled person who needs help to get down. Okay. Exactly. He is staying with his wife.
So now you're walking almost, or you have to walk almost 2 kilometers to get provisions. So
Yes.
What are you going to buy over there?
We are getting whatever provisions they are providing for us. Mostly we need milk, water. We don't have water to drink. We don't have water to even wash ourselves or clean our vessels also. That is the most things we need. We need only water. If you go and supply anything also, people will take water from yourself.
They're giving drones and all food. They're using
No. We did not. We are not getting anything. That is why we are going and coming. We are going and coming. This is the state. If we had support, we would not come. That side we will not come. This side we will not do anything. If we had support, people will not support themselves and come out. I seen kids. I seen babies were being carried from one place to another. I seen old people are walking with stick by themselves. There were none of them helping us. I seen policemen walking by. I seen police army men walking by. But where are the support?
All right, the rescue operation here at Ajit Singh Nagar is at the most affected area right now. This is street number 15 and 16, Totavari Vidhi. In this particular area, the water level is more than 3 feet. and as you walk straight, or the water level keeps rising up to your chest level. In fact, the challenge is right now we are on a tractor. This tractor cannot go beyond a certain point because the tractor will not work. They're only waiting for boats to come here, and the boats also have been struggling to reach this part. I'm going to speak to one such resident here. In fact, he has come all the way from that part of the colony, street number 15 and 16, to gather some provisions which have come through this. Sir, please tell me what is the situation there?
Yeah, actually, last like 2 days we are facing a lot of issues also. Like day before yesterday, almost 12 feet like water is happened. Like almost last 2 days, even no one is support anything, either water, either food, everything. No one is support. Like almost like 70 years aged people also is there, and pregnancy people also is there.
How you have been managing so far? How have you been managing?
Like actually like all young people, almost like 4 to 5 people is there. Like actually we know that swim, right? That's why like we are support to like our entire apartment.
So have the boats come there yet?
Yeah, actually like only for who are like given like I'm talking about high official people is there, like some of the government employees, they supporting to only for official people, but no one supporting to as a common man.
So the reach is very less. Boats have come there, but but very few reach is what you are saying.
Yes,
All
yes,
right, so I won't take much of your time because you have a long journey ahead. But yes, this is typically the situation. Multi-pronged relief and rescue operation currently underway here at Ajit Singh Nagar, an area that has been completely ravaged by the heavy rains and the flash floods. Drones are being utilized to reach out to homes where accessibility is extremely challenging. This drone that you see right now is carrying a payload of less than 10 kilos, but it is capable of carrying payload up to 10 kilos. It is now headed towards that house where you can see people are waving. There is a drone operator right here where I'm reporting from. That drone operator identifies people using the camera attached to the drone, and look at the way the drone is headed towards that blue building there where families are waiting for provisions to reach them. Now each of these packets right now at this juncture are carrying water bottles, bananas, biscuit packets, milk packets, and then you can see here instructions are being given to lower the drone. The drone finds a suitable position, lowers itself until the point where the receiver is able to get his hands on that packet. Now in this particular area, Singh Nagar colony, as we speak, the state government is operating close to 35 drones. Apart from these tractors which are distributing food and other materials, NDRF teams have deployed these boats, are using them to rescue senior citizens, particularly those with medical illnesses, particularly, and even pregnant women, children, a lot of them being moved to safety. These boats are operating in those areas where the water level at this juncture is still above 6 feet. In some parts of Ajit Nagar, where the water flow from the Budumeru river has been heavy. Where are these people being taken? They are being moved to relief camps. Some of them perhaps going to their relatives' house, and or to some of them even booking hotels now to move to some area where they can stay temporarily. They have in fact left their homes primarily because it is completely submerged, and by the time the water retreats, which is expected to happen in the next 24 to 72 hours to some extent, I'm going to speak to a volunteer here who is going to tell us what exactly a day in his life looks like. గత 4 days నుంచి మీరు సేమ్ ఏరియాస్ సర్వే చేస్తున్నారు, రిలీఫ్ మెటీరియల్ యూఆర్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటింగ్. ఇప్పుడు మెయిన్ ఛాలెంజెస్ యాజ్ ఎ వాలంటీర్ ఏముంది? వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఛాలెంజెస్?
గత 4 రోజులుగా ఏపీఎస్ఎఫ్ఎల్ అండ్ డోర్స్ కార్పొరేషన్ ద్వారా డోన్స్ ద్వారా ఎక్కడైతే లోతట్టు ప్రాంతాల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రజలకి ఈ ఫుడ్స్ని, అలాగే ఎమర్జెన్సీ నీడ్స్ ఉన్న వాటర్స్ని we have distributed waters and medical emergency and food rural areas, and we are facing not able to meet our drones and vehicles. NDRA teams should be moved to that location, and he distributed foods and waters, and on that time if any emergency peoples are there, and he pick up in boats. So we are
What about pregnant women?
Yeah.
How are you rescuing?
Our government are arranged emergency toll-free number. My collectorate room is there, and we collected a lot trouble people's contact data. That data we forward to field teams and NDRS teams and flowing teams. He can take that patients moving to safe location.